Shouldn't your nitrous system look as good as it performs? Well, it can with the billet aluminum bracket and microswitch from Nitrous Oxide Systems. The NOS microswitch bracket is machined from billet 6061 aluminum for rugged good looks. Then we anodize it for superior corrosion protection. The bracket was specifically designed to fit on Holley's Gen 3 Dominator carburetors. The billet aluminum construction ensures that it will not flex or bend, giving you consistent throttle activation of your nitrous system every time you mash the gas. The lever on the microswitch is also fully adjustable, so you can fine-tune to obtain the correct activation point. Installation is fast and easy. Simply slide it on the carb stud between the base plate flange and the carburetor retaining nut. Then connect your solenoid activation wires and you're done. The NOS kit includes a black anodized billet aluminum bracket with a laser engraved NOS logo and a high quality microswitch that's already mounted for you. Get the most out of your nitrous system with a billet aluminum bracket and microswitch from NOS. Thanks for watching. To get your billet NOS bracket and microswitch, or to see our full line of nitrous products, visit our website at nosnitrous.com.